Hi guys, if your Shokz OpenRun is only playing sound on the one side, it's usually a connection or the setting issue. So in this guide, you are going to learn how you can fix the left or the right audio step by step. So on your phone, you just have to simply go to the audio settings. So as you can see currently, I'm in my iPhone, and over here, first of all, go to accessibility. Inside accessibility, in the hearing section, you will find the visual/audio option. So when you tap on it, you will be shown this type of balance slider. So over here, you just have to make sure that it is centered. It should not be in the left and it should not be in the right. It should be in the centered. If the balance is shifted, one side will sound completely off. After checking this setting, you just have to simply turn your Bluetooth off, then forget your headphones, and then simply reconnect your Shokz OpenRun from the scratch. And this is going to clear any uneven channel routing issues. Even though they are bone conduct, dirt or sweat around the contact ports can affect the vibration. So you just have to simply wipe both the sides of the headset with a dry cloth, and this is going to ensure proper sound transfer on both the sides. Now, if none of the methods are working for you, you can just simply try this reset method. In it, you just have to first of all press and hold the power button and the volume up and down button together. So you need to simply press and hold these three buttons together for about 10 seconds and wait for the LED to flash. And this is going to reset the internal audio processing and channel sync. So thanks for watching.